Hello everyone, I'm Erbina Melani. In this occasion, I want to make a video about answering a job interview. First part is basic interview question. First, tell me about yourself. My name is Erbina. I come from Duri. I graduated from Lancang Kuning University, majoring in English education. Before graduating, I had worked in a field related to this. So I am interested in applying for a job in this position. Next, what are your strengths? I can work in team and have a good leadership skills. What are your weaknesses? My weaknesses are I am the kind of impatient person that don't like to wait. So I like to work quickly to achieve my goals and personal satisfaction. And then why do you want this job? Because I want to improve my skills as well as learn new things. I like to study things that are not often related to my major to increase my knowledge. Next question is where would you like to be in your career 5 years from now? I think I'll still be in this position because along with the development of technology, there will be many new things to be learned in this position. Next, what's your ideal company? The company that have many achievements, like this company. I have to see how many company takes care of the welfare of its employees. Next, what attracted you to this company? Many companies' achievements. It's so that the human resource in this company are very good, so I want to be the part of it. Next, why should we hire you? Because I had previously worked in a similar position. Now I believe I can quickly learn and adjust to this position. Next, what can you do for us that other candidates can? I am a workaholic type of person. I am able to work under pressure. I have to good work plan and goals every day. Therefore, I can provide maximum result for the progress of the company. Then what do you know about our company? This company is a niche in technology. The business has been running abroad. I think because the company's vision and mission are clear and structured, the company is able to produce good human resource so that the business technology runs smoothly. Next, are you willing to relocate? If it is required, I am willing to be relocated. I believe that it must be a good opportunity for me and the company. Part 2. Behavioral interview questions. First, give me an example of a time that you felt you went above and beyond the call of duty of work. When there are many requests from clients, automatically my team and I will work twice as much. Next, can you describe a time when your work was criticized? When my work is criticized, I will be calm and listening. Because I like to learn new things, I need criticism from other people, so that I know where my weaknesses lie and improve the quality of my work to be better. Next, have you ever been on a team where someone was not pulling their own weight? How did you handle it? Yes, I have. I will help that person for the sake of achieving our team's goal. Then tell me about a time when you had to give someone difficult feedback. How did you handle it? Before that, I will try to know more about that person, like how is his or her personality. Then I will make a better way about how to dealing with him or her. Next, what is your greatest failure and what did you learn from it? Maybe about how impatient I am. I like to do others' work without waiting, even though I can work in a team. What I learned from it is about enjoying the process, that everything will done, that waiting is not always a bad thing. Next question is, how do you handle working with people who annoy you? I will not show that I am annoyed. I will remain professional in the work environment. Then, if I were your supervisor and asked you to do something that you disagree with, what would you do? My answer is, I will try to invite you to discuss to reach the best decision. Next question is, give me an example of a time you did something wrong. How did you handle it? My answer is, when I did something wrong, I made a note about it so that I can remember to not make the same mistake. Next question is, tell me about a time where you had to deal with conflict in the job. My answer is, I'll try to be calm so things don't get complicated. I will analyze the situation, then think of the best solution for the conflict. Next question is, if you were at business lunch and you ordered a rare steak and they brought it to you well done, what would you do? My answer is, I will not argue about it in front of everyone. I'm just going to leave a small note for the restaurant so they can correct the mistake. Next question is, if you found out your company was doing something against the law, like fraud, what would you do? My answer is, I'll try to talk it over someone I trust in the company, about what should we do or what the company's goals are for doing so. I will try to learn and know the company situation first. Next question is, what assignment was too difficult for you and how did you resolve the issue? My answer is, an assignment that required other things I should know first. It made me have to study extra for the best result, but for me that's not a problem. Next question is, describe how you would handle a situation if you were required to finish multiple tasks by the end of the day and there was no conceivable way that you could finish them. My answer is, if I was in that situation, I would choose and divide which work was urgent to be completed and which work was not urgent. I will work as hard as I can so to finish all of urgent work first. Part 3 is salary question. First question is, what salary are you seeking? About salary, I am willing to be paid according to my ability because I believe in my abilities when working in the position I am aiming for. Next question is, what's your salary history? My answer is not lower than the minimum wage in this area. The last question is, if I were to give you the salary you requested but let you write your job description for the next year, what would it say? My answer is, that's not a big problem to do. I will do as well as I can. Okay, I think that's all about my answering of a job interview. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.